Hi guys, today's notes are going to go over two forms of linear equations we're going to use often. The first one is slope-intercept form, the second one is standard form. Now, I'm pretty sure most of you are already familiar with slope-intercept form. It's your y is equal to mx plus b. And remember, our m is the slope, and our b is going to be that y-intercept. Every y-intercept, the x value is always 0. It'll be 0, comma, and then whatever the y is. Now it says, given the following information, write the linear equation in slope-intercept form. We'll do a couple together, and then I want you to try a few on your own. The first one, well, it's always going to start out with y equals. It tells us the slope is 2 and the y-intercept is -1. So just plug in 2 for the m, so 2x, and then instead of plus b, it's going to be plus the y-intercept, which is -1, -1. You could technically write this as plus a -1, but I think this looks a lot better if you just write it as minus whenever you have a negative intercept, okay? Let's try another one. Y equals, and this time my slope is -3/5, so it's just going to be -3/5x. Y-intercept is +4, so it's +4. All right, number 3. Y equals, what's my slope? Remember, slope always goes for that m. -3, touching x. Y-intercept is +2, so write as +2. Now, I want you to try 4, 5, and 6. After you have your answers down, then push play and see my answers. So go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, here we go. Y is equal to, and our slope here is -1, so -1x. Y-intercept is 7 plus 7. Number 5. Y equals 1/4 x. Y-intercept is 0. So this one, you could put +0, but +0 -0, it really won't change anything. So we'll just leave it just like that. And then our number 6. Y equals my slope, which is -5/2x. Y-intercept is -3, so write it as -3. All right, we're halfway done with the notes. It's not so bad. Now, on the other side, we've got standard form. Standard form is written in this format. AX plus BY equals C. And a few things to note about standard form is that your x could be positive or negative. And what you're going to do is have to divide or multiply the number to get your y. So here's what I mean by that. We want to change these from standard form to slope-intercept. So we want to change them all into y equals. Well, I've already got y by itself. I just need to move 2x to the other side. How to move a 2x? You're going to have to do the opposite. What's the opposite of plus 2x? Minus. So let's do minus 2x. Those cancel. I get y is equal to, and now over here, you cannot subtract a regular 3 and then minus 2x. So you're just going to write it minus 2x. And our leftover number, +3. Now we've taken it from standard form, and we've gone into slope-intercept. Now it looks y equals mx plus b, y equals -2x plus 3. Let's do one more together, and then we'll go into part 2. So we're going to move our x. How do we move a plus 4x? Good, we're going to subtract 4x. Those cancel. I'll get 5y's is equal to -4x minus 30. Now on this one, my y value isn't 1, it's 5. And I need this to say y equals. So how will I get rid of a multiply by 5? We'll have to divide by 5. Those cancel, y is equal to, and make sure you divide everything on this side by 5. So negative 4 over 5x minus, and that's going to be 6. I'm going to stop the video here, and we'll do these last 4 on part 2.